yogurt and biryani masala, pepper, oil, water, and biryani masala. Now heat up oil, add onions, wait until turns golden brown. Slice up tomatoes. Now it's turning brown. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now add tomatoes. Fry for a few minutes. Now add all the chicken. Fry a few more minutes. Now add masala to yogurt. Then put it in chicken. Mix everything together. Let it cook 15 minutes or until chicken is fully cooked. Boil some rice separately. Add salt to taste. Drain rice. And allow it to skillet. Add a layer of rice. Then add another layer of chicken and all the gravy. Then add remaining rice on top. Don't forget subscribe our channel, Troublemaker. Also add food color. Put biryani on stove another 5 minutes. Yummy biryani ready for eating. Thanks for watching.